This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread fry. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 4 slices of your favorite bread, about 2 tablespoons of butter, and a good frying pan. A sturdy bread like sourdough or a thick-cut white loaf works best, as it holds up well to frying. Make sure your butter is at room temperature for easy spreading, ensuring a golden, crispy result every time. Now, let's prepare our bread for frying. Take each slice and spread a thin, even layer of softened butter across one entire side. You want just enough to coat it, not too much. Next, place your frying pan on the stove and preheat it over a medium-low heat for approximately 2 minutes. This gentle heat is crucial for achieving that perfect golden brown crust without burning the bread. It's time to fry our bread to golden perfection. Carefully place the buttered side of your bread slices down into the preheated pan. Let them fry undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a satisfying crispness. Then, flip each slice over and fry the unbuttered side for another 2 minutes, allowing it to toast lightly and warm through. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious homemade fried bread. For the best experience, serve it immediately while it's still warm and crispy. Fried bread is incredibly versatile. It pairs wonderfully with savory breakfast items like scrambled eggs and crispy bacon, or as a side to a comforting bowl of soup. For a sweet treat, try it with a dollop of your favorite jam, a drizzle of honey, or a sprinkle of cinnamon sugar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.